My name is Jack, I'm from Bristol, England, and I teach physical education. So what makes Bristol unique is the famous landmarks such as Clifton Suspension Bridge and the Temple Meads Railway Station. There's a show called Wallace and Gromit in England, and it's actually made in Bristol. So what they do every year is to raise money for charity. They design their own Wallace and Gromit statues and place them around Bristol. And the idea of it is to kickstart a health campaign. The kids love it. I think they're just so excited. I feel like I can be a big kid sometimes. I just like experiencing having fun with the kids. Just getting them to do things that they might not have thought was possible. Again, it's just another area to exercise and make it fun. We had an England theme day for my cultural exchange day at our school here. Just a celebration of, being English. So we really wanted to immerse students in the whole flying to England. You get a ticket to board a flight. And we actually remake that in our cafeteria. So we have rows of seats. As you're boarding a plane, we watch a short history documentary on England. We concluded the theme day with a royal dinner. We kind of gave kids little miniature cup of teas, and then each class also presented a coat of arms. So they designed their own coat of arms, looking at the history, and then they displayed it by their dinner table.
The theme days, the students, the parents, and the staff, we all look forward to the theme days. He set up the theme where the students had to get tickets. He gave us traditional foods that you would eat in England. We had like a high tea. We had the tea. I was at the high table. And then we had a game of cricket. We were all dressed up, tents outside, kids playing cricket. And it was amazing because it's a day that we can really look and learn about other cultures outside of where we live.
It took quite a lot of work to, teach kids cricket. Should have probably demonstrated it beforehand because they were just using like a baseball racket. Then I realized I need to break it down into smaller chunks. So we just broke down each individual aspect of the game into like lessons. I just think it's a great way to, teach kids different skills other than physical skills. There's such things as perseverance, hard work, teamwork, communication. And I feel like using sport as an avenue is a great way to achieve that.
Being in a charter school, you have to really come in and wear many hats. And I look for someone who thinks outside the box. Jack Harris has come in and really has brought the program to life here, our physical education program.
One thing I'm really proud of in the past 3 years, we have won this award every year, is provided by Healthier Generation, and they are an organization just to try create a healthy school lifestyle. And the area that we received our award in is bolstering physical activity. So I have made sure that people are doing movement breaks in their classroom, that there's recess activities for them to do. I've recently became an advocate for a Marathon Kids program. So there's an online digital platform that allows you to track your running and exercise minutes. So I've implemented this program at my school. I run alongside them. So for them to be there trying to do it as well kind of motivated me to do better in that aspect.
That's one of the things that sets this school aside, the little school on the hill, is that we are expected to do different things than the traditional public schools that are around us. And so the EPI teachers help bring that to life. If
I could describe EPI with one word, it would be opportunity. They offer you the chance to have interviews with the principal. They allow you that expression to actually get one-to-one experience of the school itself. They've helped me get over to the USA. They helped me get set up. Moving to the US, I was looking for communication, and I don't feel like they've dropped the ball on that. I know EPI offers a lot of support networks as well, so I know they'll always be available, and I have shared my accomplishments with EPI before, and they've also shared it on their news forum. So it's great to see that they are still with you on that journey as well. Embrace it. That is the advice I would give to somebody starting new, the EPI program. Embrace it, have an open mind, try new things. If you have an idea, roll with it once you're granted permission. Try not to be afraid to come up with an idea and for it to fail. When I look back to my first day starting here at my school, the thing I'm most proud of is just leaving my mark here. I know that I've helped develop this school to be a healthy school. I've set up the programs that I know once I leave, they could be long lasting. So it's just building that foundation.
Coach Harris is an asset to this school and will be an asset to any school that he goes to in the future. He's going out into the community, like I said, bringing programs to the school, involving our students in programs they probably never would have been involved in without his involvement. He has presented on a national level. He's gone to conferences and brought back programs that just have enhanced our school at large. So he is definitely an asset and will be sorely missed when he leaves.